Hi, I'm Jen Hadfield from Tater Tots and Jello and also from Pebbles and American Crafts. And I'm so excited to show you my newest line. It's called Chasing Adventures, and it's all about going on adventures with your family and friends. Whether it's in your own backyard or out in Japan or wherever you are, there's something that you can use in this line. So I just wanted to show you some of my favorite elements. The papers in the line are very colorful, which I think is so nice. We have different patterns, we have pineapples, we have a lot of gold elements, which really adds a nice touch to the papers. The little girls are my favorite, and they are just so cute on bikes, and they are taking pictures, and I just love them. So they're carried throughout the line. They're in the paper, they're also in the stickers, which you can see right here. And we also have lots of cute icons like flamingo, we have the taxi, we have cars, planes, trains, automobiles, we have it all in this line. Anything that you do with your family or friends, any kind of trip, any kind of adventure that you go on, there's something in this line that you will love. And I'm so excited. You can just finish it off with a little adorable washi tape. And no matter what trip or adventure you go on with your family, I just love this line, and I know you will love it too.